In today's video, we are going to be making very affordable, easy to make room decor pieces. So if you're in a phase where you're redecorating your room or you're trying to make your space look a lot better or a lot fresher, you would want to watch this video. All the items we use in this video are very attainable and the results are mind-blowing. Stick and stay. Let's get into these tutorials.
I can't stay.
Oh, hi there. My name is Antwiwaa. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Please hit the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you a thing. And let's get into the video. Good job. Okay, let's go. For the first DIY, we'll be using something that we all have in our homes, which are pillows. I'll be using a black and a white pillow. I also got some thread and some tassels from my local sewing shop. I wanted to use these to sort of add some accent colors to my room. So for the first pillow, I drew this abstract face shape I found on Pinterest, and then I'm going to go over those lines with the threads that I got. So for this first one, I'll just use the black thread and some glue. I don't know what to call it. I think it's a thread, but it's a bit thicker than a thread. It's almost like a lace fabric, right? Like a shoestring fabric. So I use that and I go over the lines that I drew with my pen, and I make sure that I'm covering the lines very well, and I'm using a good amount of glue to secure these strings onto the pillow. I also added some colors. I like this orange and the gold thing, and I think it really looks good. For the second pillow, I just wanted to add these tassels and just leave them as they are, but I took a look at them and I thought that they needed something more, so I added a bit of texture with yarn. So I basically took out threads of yarn and then glued it horizontally and vertically on the pillow, and that was it. Beautiful, huh? For this second DIY, I really love this one. You need a flower pot or vase or whatever you call it, and then this hemp rope. I got this from the China Mall at Spintex. I got 2 of them just in case one was not enough. And then you need your good old glue gun, or any other glue at all. The first thing we'll be doing is we'll be securing the rope to the very bottom of the bucket. These two are going to be in a very long-term relationship, so we have to make sure that the foundation of their relationship is very strong. So be generous with the glue. Use as much glue as you can for this bottom part. Press onto the rope to make sure that it is properly glued onto the pot. Once you've ensured that the foundation is strong and their relationship is looking good, you're going to take the rope and take it round and round the vase. So you do that as many times as possible, and also be sure to use some glue after every 3 or 4 rounds. This is the final product. DIY, you need a round mirror. You also need some popsicle sticks. I spray painted mine into this black matte color, and then you also need a hot glue gun. So the first thing I did was I took off this plastic thing that came with my mirror, and then I attached a piece of cardboard to the back of my mirror for extra support. To do that, I just cut out a cardboard and I glued it onto the back of the mirror. After that, I just took out the excess cardboard that was sticking out at the end of my mirror. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach our popsicle sticks to the mirror, and to do that you put a little amount of glue on the tip of the stick, and then you place that on top of the mirror. I did that and I take it all the way around, and this is what you end up with. You can leave it like that, or you can just go ahead and do what I did, which was basically taking some bit of yarn from my last DIY, which was the black pillow, and I just went around the circle with it. I felt like it would make it a lot stronger and also make it look a lot neater than before. I also wanted to take the yarn around it at the top, but that was an epic fail, so I just used the sticks to form this cobweb looking like mirror. DIY, you need barbecue sticks and then a pen, a pair of scissors, and a hot glue gun. I arranged my sticks in line and then I drew a line straight through them. I wanted to divide them and I wanted all of them to be equal. So you don't need any exceptional cutting tool to split this in two. All you need is a scissors. Just squeeze like once or twice, and then it makes it easy for you to break and split them into two. I did that for all the sticks and I ended up with these ones. So after that, we are going to make tiny triangles from our sticks, and we basically do that by joining 3 sticks together. My pro tip for this very DIY is that you wait for the glue to dry and you hold on to the sticks as it's drying. If you don't do that, you spend way more time on this DIY than you'd expect. After I finished making my triangles, I got 9 triangles in total, and then we come to the next step. The next step is I'm going to join all the triangles together to make this shape I have in my head. I don't know what to call it. All I did was I tried to join the triangles together to form this shape. This DIY looks easy, but if you do not take your time, you're going to be spending a lot of time on it. I'd advise that every time you use the glue, you hold on to the sticks for a long period of time to make sure that they're stuck before you move on to the next triangle. And this is the shape you end up with. I sprayed mine with a gold spray paint, and then I put it on my shelf and I put my candle in it. I hope that you found at least one item that you are very eager to try your hands on. Do let me know which item you'll be trying your hands on, and let me know which one is your favorite and which one is your least favorite. I'll be filming more room decor DIY, so if that's the kind of content you love, definitely hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. It is absolutely free, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.